Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturally Eve, and on this channel I talk about curly hair, transitioning hair, natural hair, health and wellness, and all things beauty. So today I'm back again with another product review, and today we're going to be talking about Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. So I have another video or product review about Shea Moisture's line, but it's the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil line, which is focused on moisture. But for this review, this one is more focused on protein. So if you have enough protein but not enough moisture, then your hair is dry, brittle, stiff. But then if you have enough moisture but not enough protein, then your hair is kind of weak and lifeless. So it's really important to have that balance. Too much of anything is bad. So for me, I try to have protein treatments once a month, maybe twice, but for the rest of the time, I primarily just focus on moisture. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please support your girl so I can continue to make amazing videos like these for you guys. So in all my hair products, I look at the first 5 to 7, maybe 8 ingredients, because that lets me know what is the primary concentration in the ingredient that I'm putting in my hair. If I see a list of 20 ingredients, the ones at the very top probably have the most concentration, and the ones at the bottom are important, but like you won't get the full benefits because they normally don't have a higher concentration of those. And I hate when brands advertise a product. So if they say argan oil and they put argan oil here, argan oil here, argan. And then I look at the ingredient list and argan oil is like at the bottom of the ingredient list. We don't like that. Let's get into it. So the first product is the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. It says here that it repairs by reducing breakage on heat-styled hair up to 76% when used with our Hydrate and Repair conditioner, enriching formula that replenishes moisture to dry, brittle strands while promoting a healthy shine. Okay, those are some really big claims. But let's look at the ingredients. First ingredient, sodium lauryl methyl isethionate. So this is not to be confused with sodium lauryl sulfate. It's also a cleansing agent, but it's actually milder than sodium lauryl sulfate. And it's actually derived from coconuts. So that's really good. And coconuts are known for being moisturizing. So I'm not mad at that, Shea Moisture. And the next ingredient is cocoa midopropyl betaine. So this is also another cleansing agent, also derived from coconut oil. So then we have sodium methyl cocoyl taurate, sodium cocoyl isethionate. So lots of coconut derived cleansers. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Finally, we see shea butter, honey, yogurt powder, and yogurt extract. Okay, we're getting to the money. So yogurt powder and yogurt extract are the 8th and 9th ingredient. So not very high up. I understand that the point of this is actually to cleanse your hair. So I do understand all the cleansing agents that are in here. But you know, if you're gonna promote yogurt, you know, I feel like it should be higher up. But let's see. Let's see how it does on the hair. So you already know I pre-shampooed with my African Pride Moisture Miracle. This is my favorite pre-shampoo. Smells amazing. Just don't lick it. So I detangled as per usual. I just left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this shampoo actually has a very liquidy consistency. It actually has like a perfumey type of smell, a clean smell. It's not too strong, so it's definitely not overpowering. So if you didn't know, I like to wash my hair under the sink because I think it's just so much easier than being in the shower. So I went ahead and rinsed off some of that pre-shampoo before going in with the Shea Moisture shampoo. I like to put in a little bit at a time and just really focusing on my roots. As you can see, there's a really good lather. I love how the shampoo nicely foams up. After I'm done rinsing off all the shampoo, I dry my hair with my microfiber towel. So here's how my hair looks after shampooing. My hair definitely feels really soft and moisturized. I didn't feel like the shampoo actually stripped my hair at all, so I'm actually happy with it. And I also feel like it definitely cleansed my scalp very well. My hair feels clean, but also still soft. So I shot the entire video, and halfway through, when I was editing, I realized a whole bunch of lipstick on my teeth. And I was just like, okay, let's see if I can edit it out. And girl, it did not work. So I am refilming some portions of this. So that's why you see me in a whole different look, you know what I'm saying? It's actually Christmas Day, so I'm actually filming this Christmas Day because I'm committed to you guys. I'm committed. So where were we? We were at the deep conditioner. So this is the Hydrogen Repair Protein Power Treatment. It says repair damage caused by overprocessing. Just one use of this intensive treatment helps strengthen by reducing breakage up to 76%. Okay. It says here to apply a quarter size amount. Okay. Shea Moisture. Us curly girls don't apply a quarter of anything, okay? So, there are some really big claims, okay? But what are the ingredients? Ingredient 1, water, great. Then bihydramonium chloride. That's an excellent conditioner. It really helps you basically comb through the hair, reduces static. It basically softens coarse hair, so it's very good. Next ingredients, caprylic or capric triglyceride. Those are basically like a unique blend of fatty acids that help repair the hair surface and also helps you retain moisture. So those are really good. Hydrogenated castor oil. I mean, of course, we all know castor oil is really good, not only for hair growth, but also to increase volume and thickness of the hair. We have cetearyl alcohol and stearyl alcohol. Both are also used in cosmetic products to basically help soften the skin, and so in turn it also helps soften the hair. And then we have shea butter, finally, glycerin, honey. Okay, finally, we're getting to the good stuff now. Honey, shea oil, yogurt powder, and yogurt extract. Okay, so yogurt, the two yogurt powder and yogurt extract, they're the 10th and 12th ingredient. So again, for a line that's promoting yogurt as the, star ingredient, I would expect it to be higher up in the ingredient list. So let's see how it performed. The deep conditioner actually reminds me of a shea butter type of consistency, like she thick. Before applying the deep conditioning mask, I always want to mist my hair with some water so that the product can easily penetrate into my hair. And also, I always want to divide up my hair. It just helps me manage my hair better as I'm applying the product. So starting on my first section, I put a little bit at a time. As you can see, I'm raking the product through my hair to make sure every curl gets some of that love, honey. So although it may look like I'm going really fast, you actually want to go very slow. Although this deep conditioner actually has very good slip, I'm actually very surprised it's detangling my hair very well. But you want to go as slow as possible to reduce breakage. Next, I put on my deep conditioning mask, which has a flaxseed interior, link below if you want to buy it. But basically, I leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. And you already know Mr. Versace had to make an appearance, darling. I towel dry my hair with my favorite microfiber towel. Link below to not the exact same towel that I have, but very, very similar. Still very good. Microfiber towels are amazing to reduce breakage, even when you're towel drying your hair, as opposed to like regular cotton towels. Here's a little close-up of my hair. It definitely feels and looks moisturized, and also I can definitely see a bounce back in my curl. Definitely some of the curls that were kind of limp at the beginning of the wash day have sprung back up, which is amazing. All right, so the next product we're going to review is the leave-in conditioner. So again, similar wording, hydrogen repair, multi-action leave-in. This multi-action leave-in treatment does it all. Oof. It absorbs quickly to hydrate, recondition, strengthen, and smooth abused hair while it preps for easy styling. Helps repair brittle, heat-styled hair by reducing breakage up to 87. Shea Moisture, there's a lot of percentages in here. So, I really want to measure this. I'm guessing they clinically tested this stuff, so they probably measured it. Also very big claims. So this one, from all the products we talked about so far, 87% is the highest percentage. Even the deep conditioner is not that high. I think it was 76%. Yeah. So yeah, big claims. Let's see what the ingredients are. Water, centrimonium chloride, capric triglyceride. So again, similar ingredients we've already talked about. Glycerin, we know glycerin, shea butter, honey, and then finally yogurt powder and yogurt extract. So what's very interesting about this is that yogurt powder and yogurt extract are the 7th and 8th ingredient, and shea butter and honey are the 5th and 6th. So they're way higher up than the other two. So I would have expected the deep conditioner to have these ingredients higher up, but for some reason it's in this. Let's see how it performs. So initially I was very skeptical because it came in the spray bottle, and I like thicker leave-ins, but it's definitely a liquidy consistency. It's like a whitish, watery consistency. Can initially spray it or of course apply it on your hands. I think I started off spraying it and then I ended up just putting it on my hands. Both ways work. I was definitely pleasantly surprised by how much slip this spray leave-in actually has. So I stand corrected. So for my styler, I went ahead and used the Frizz-Free Curl Mousse by the Coconut and Hibiscus line. Link below if you want to purchase. And here are my final results. I think the leave-in definitely pairs well with the mousse, so I'm definitely happy with my wash day. All right, so my final thoughts, starting with the shampoo. I actually really liked it. I felt like my hair was clean, but it didn't feel like my hair was stripped completely. It left a really good feeling after the shampooing, so really good. And the deep conditioner. So first of all, this is a really small container. You don't get much product. See, I'm even finished with it. Also, you're not supposed to be using a protein treatment every week. It's maybe once a month. So not enough product, too small. Generally, after using the protein treatment, I did feel my hair was bouncy. Some of my curls that were kind of stringy actually reverted back to being curly. So it actually was really good. The leave-in conditioner. So I was pleasantly surprised by this. So I don't really reach for leave-in conditioners that are liquid form. I always find that I'm paying for water. I actually felt like there's product in here, there's stuff in here, good stuff for my hair. You get quite a bit of product and you don't need too much. A little goes a long way. So I'm very pleasantly surprised. I really like this one as well. All right, so our Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt line, Naturally Eve approved. Yes! feel like they did what they were supposed to do. The shampoo cleansed my hair, moisturized it. The deep conditioner, you know, reverted my hair, my curls back into their bouncy selves. And the leave-in had really good slip. So overall, I do like this line. I think I'll repurchase again. I do recommend it. I wouldn't use it every single wash day necessarily because it's pretty heavy on the protein, and you know, you gotta have a good balance of moisture and protein. If you are looking for a more moisturizing line from Shea Moisture, you can check out my video on the Manuka Honey and Mafura oil line. That's more focused on hydration and moisture. If you like this video and you think it was helpful, please let me know. Show some love, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video when I post. Until next time, keep it naturally.